The car market as we know it is about to experience a massive and unstoppable earthquake. For a very long time, buying a brand new car in places like Canada or the United States meant completely emptying your bank account. You either had to pay way too much money for a basic car with cheap plastic parts and no exciting features, or you had to take out a huge bank loan just to afford a luxury vehicle. The big traditional car companies have grown very comfortable charging high prices because they thought you had no other choice. But the year 2026 is bringing a massive change that these big car companies are terrified of. Trade barriers and tariffs are dropping, and the doors are finally opening for a new wave of electric vehicles. We are talking about cars that cost anywhere between $4,000 and $16,000. Yes, you read that correctly. These are not glorified golf carts or cheap plastic toys that will break in a week. These are real, highly advanced, incredibly safe, and beautifully designed city cars that offer technology you normally only see in expensive European luxury brands. I am going to walk you through 7 incredible electric cars that are ready to take over the streets and change the way we travel forever. By the time we finish, you will completely change how you think about buying a car, and you will understand why the old way of buying cars is officially dead. Let us start with a car that has the sweetest and most approachable name in the entire car industry, the Chery QQ Ice Cream. Imagine you have a tight budget of about $5,000. In the regular car market we are used to, that amount of money might buy you a very old, rusty, high-mileage car that needs constant and expensive repairs at the mechanic. But in this new world of affordable electric vehicles, $5,000 buys you a brand new, zero-emission car. The Chery QQ Ice Cream looks like a friendly, happy little box on wheels. It comes in bright, beautiful pastel colors that actually match different flavors of ice cream, like mint green and soft pink. It features large, U-shaped daytime running lights that make the car look like it is literally smiling at you when you walk up to it. It is a 3-door, 4-seat hatchback that is perfectly shaped for crowded and busy city streets. Finding a parking spot becomes the easiest thing in the world because this car is so compact it can fit into spaces that regular cars have to drive right past. Under the floor, it has a solid lithium battery that gives you a driving range of about 120 to over 200 kilometers, depending on the exact version you choose to buy. The electric motor gives you just enough smooth power to zip through heavy city traffic with total ease. Inside the car, the design is simple, clean, and full of life. The seats are covered in soft, durable fabrics and are surprisingly comfortable for long drives across town. The very large windows give you a fantastic view of the road, making the cabin feel bright and open. It is the absolute perfect first car for a college student, or a fantastic second car for a family that just needs to run quick errands around town without ever paying for expensive gas again. Moving on to something that looks like it drove straight out of a science fiction movie, we have the Wuling Air EV. If the Chery is a friendly and colorful box, the Wuling Air is a sleek, futuristic space pod. It features a single, bright LED light bar that stretches all the way across the front of the car, making it look incredibly modern and ahead of its time. When you see this car driving down the road, it immediately catches your eye because it simply does not look like anything else out there. It makes traditional gas cars look old and outdated. Even though it is very small on the outside, the space inside feels like pure magic. The smart designers push the wheels as far out to the 4 corners of the car as possible. This clever trick opens up a huge amount of room for the passengers inside. You can comfortably fit 4 normal-sized adults inside, and the large glass windows make the cabin feel very bright, open, and relaxing. The technology inside this car is also very impressive, especially for a vehicle that costs well under $10,000. You get beautifully clear digital screens on the dashboard that handle all your driving information, speed, and entertainment. The materials used inside the cabin feel sturdy, smooth, and very well put together. When you press the accelerator pedal, the electric motor delivers smooth and completely silent power, making your daily drive peaceful and totally relaxing. It charges very easily using a standard plug at home, meaning you can wake up every single morning with a full battery, ready to tackle the day without ever having to visit a dirty gas station again. Next up is a car that focuses entirely on being lovable, stylish, and highly practical. This is the Chang'an Lumen, which many people affectionately call the Corn because of its cute shape and bright colors. This car is an absolute masterclass in clean, smooth, and minimal design. It does not have any sharp, angry, or aggressive lines on its body. Instead, it features gentle, flowing curves and round headlights that have a sleepy, relaxed look. It looks like a car that wants to be your best friend. But the most surprising and amazing detail on the outside is the door handles. They are completely flat and hidden deeply inside the door, popping out automatically only when you walk up and approach the car. This is a premium luxury feature you usually only find on high-end cars that cost over $80,000. Yet here it is on a wonderful city car that costs around $7,000. The Chang'an Lumen is built on a very solid and safe foundation, using high-strength steel to keep you and your family fully protected. Depending on the size of the battery you choose, you can drive up to 287 miles on a single charge. That means you could easily drive to work every single day for a week or two without ever needing to plug the car in. Inside, the car is a truly joyful and happy place to be. The interior colors are bright, fresh, and youthful. The dashboard features a wonderful 10-inch touchscreen right in the middle. The computer software is very easy to use, with cute cartoon graphics that respond instantly when you touch them. It feels like an inviting modern living room or a stylish furniture showroom on wheels, perfectly suited for anyone who wants a simple, beautiful, and completely hassle-free driving experience. Then we have a car that completely breaks all the rules of what a budget vehicle should be able to do. Let me introduce you to the Leapmotor T03. From the outside, it looks like a tall, narrow, and slightly bubbly city car. It has a very friendly face and a solid, confident stance on the road. But please do not let its cute appearance trick you into thinking it is just a basic, simple toy. The Leapmotor T03 is packed with highly advanced computer brains and sensors. For a starting price around $9,000, this tiny car features Level 2 autonomous driving technology. It is loaded with smart cameras and radar sensors all around its body. This incredible technology means the car can actually stay in its lane on the highway by itself, automatically apply the brakes if a person or another car steps in front of it, and even steer itself perfectly into a tight parking space while you sit back and watch. It feels almost impossible and illegal that a car this cheap can be this incredibly smart. The electric motor produces over 100 horsepower, which makes this lightweight car surprisingly fast and punchy when you take off from a red light. Inside, it feels airy and very spacious, mostly thanks to a huge panoramic glass roof that lets in beautiful natural sunlight. The seats are shaped like expensive sports car buckets, holding you firmly and comfortably in place. A large, bright touchscreen in the middle of the car controls absolutely everything, from the crisp air conditioning to your favorite music. The Leapmotor T03 proves once and for all that you do not need to be rich to afford cutting-edge safety and self-driving technology. If you are someone who wants a car that looks and feels a bit more traditional, but still offers amazing and unbeatable value, the new MG3 is waiting for you. MG is a famous car brand with deep British roots that has been completely transformed and brought back to life by brilliant Chinese engineering and investment. The new electric and hybrid versions of the MG3 step slightly higher in price, moving closer to the $15,000 mark. But what you get for that money is truly extraordinary. It is a slightly larger hatchback, making it a fantastic choice if you need to carry more heavy luggage, load up a baby stroller, or have taller passengers sitting in the back seat on a regular basis. The exterior design of the MG3 is sharp, sporty, and very aggressive. It has a wide, low front grille and sharp headlights that sweep back beautifully along the sides, giving the car a very athletic and fast look even when it is standing still. Inside, the cabin feels extremely premium and expensive. The dashboard features soft touch materials instead of hard, scratchy plastics, and the steering wheel feels perfectly thick and comfortable in your hands. The digital screens are incredibly crisp and clear, and the whole interior feels like it belongs in a car that costs 3 times as much. The ride quality is fantastic. The engineers spent a massive amount of time tuning the suspension, so it absorbs harsh bumps and potholes in the road smoothly, while still feeling very fun and energetic when you drive quickly around corners. Whether you are cruising quietly on the highway or navigating tight, busy city streets, the MG3 feels solid, whisper quiet, and completely refined. As we move toward the top end of our affordable budget, we meet a car that is fully ready to destroy the competition from all the old, traditional car brands. This is the BYD Dolphin. Priced right in the middle teens, the Dolphin is an absolute masterpiece of modern electric vehicle design. The company BYD calls their special design style ocean aesthetics, and you can easily see it in the smooth, flowing lines of the car that perfectly mimic the gentle movement of water and waves. It is a very handsome, well-proportioned car that looks modern and fresh without being overly strange or weird. The technology hiding inside the Dolphin is what makes it so incredibly special and important. It uses BYD's world-famous Blade battery. This specific battery is widely considered one of the absolute safest batteries in the entire world, because it is almost completely impossible for it to catch fire, even if the car is badly damaged in a terrible accident. It gives the driver peace of mind and also provides the Dolphin with a fantastic driving range, easily passing 260 miles on a single full charge. Inside the car, the daily driving experience is wonderful. The seats use very soft, high-quality vegan leather, and the dashboard is full of interesting, fun shapes and soft textures. The door handles even look like the flippers of a dolphin. The most famous feature, however, is the massive central computer screen that can actually rotate. With the simple push of a button on the steering wheel, the big screen physically spins from a horizontal view to a vertical view, allowing you to use your navigation map or watch entertainment exactly how you prefer. The back seat has a huge amount of legroom because the floor is completely flat without any bumps, making it a perfect and highly comfortable car for a growing family. Finally, we arrive at the absolute star of the show, a car that has the entire car world talking and panicking. This is the BYD Seagull. Some markets call it the Dolphin Mini, but this specific car has its own fierce, bold, and distinct personality. It was actually designed by a man who used to design real, million-dollar Lamborghinis, and you can clearly see that influence. The Seagull does not look cute, soft, or friendly like the other city cars. It looks sharp, angry, and incredibly fast. It has deep, strong lines cut into the metal doors and headlights that look like focused laser beams cutting through the dark. It is, without a doubt, the best-looking small car you can buy on the planet today. Starting under $10,000, the value you get here is simply unbelievable and hard to process. It features the exact same ultra-safe Blade battery technology as its bigger brother, ensuring your family is always safe. More importantly, for places with cold weather like Canada, it even comes with a heat pump as standard equipment. A heat pump is a very special and expensive device that keeps the battery warm in freezing winter weather. This means a harsh Canadian winter will not suddenly ruin your battery and leave you stranded without driving range. Most expensive American electric cars make you pay extra for a heat pump, but here it is included for free. Inside, the Seagull feels exactly like a premium sports car. The steering wheel is flat at the bottom, just like a professional race car, and the amazing rotating screen is right there in the middle to handle all your needs. The doors close with a heavy, solid thud that tells you this car is built tightly and meant to last for years. The Seagull is quick, incredibly safe, packed with luxury features, and looks like $1 million while costing less than a used economy car. The world of cars is changing much faster than anyone ever expected. The sad days of accepting basic, boring, and wildly expensive cars are finally over. These 7 electric vehicles clearly prove that you can have beautiful design, incredible safety features, and amazing modern technology for the price of an old, beaten-up gas car. When Canada and the rest of the world fully open their doors to let these vehicles in by 2026, the traditional car companies are going to have a very difficult time convincing anyone to buy their overpriced products. These affordable Chinese city cars are not just a cheap secondary option. They are the smartest and better option for the everyday person. They make driving fun, clean, safe, and completely affordable for everyone, no matter their budget. You will no longer have to stress about the rising cost of gasoline or expensive oil changes.